Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I hope you all are well, guys, and welcome to my new video. Today, we will start the discussion on the next set of the questionnaires for SAP S/4HANA sales for on-premise and cloud both. So, these set of the questionnaires will cover both the aspects on-premise as well as the cloud version. It is for the private cloud, guys. So, if you visit all the videos related with the certification, they will help you a lot in clearing the certification, guys. I believe i believe you will get almost all the questions, all the passing questions from my set of the questionnaires. I think so. And today, first question is, select the correct options to determine the pricing procedure. Guys, pricing procedure determination is sales area plus customer pricing procedure plus document pricing procedure. Customer pricing procedure we store in the customer master, that is the sold to party. Document pricing procedure we store at the sales document type level, and we are having the option of the sales area. So if you are not seeing the customer pricing procedure, you are not seeing the document pricing procedure, that doesn't mean that you will not select the sales document type of sold to party. You will have to select the sold to party, guys. You will have to select the sales document because these two are the source. These are the source for the document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure. And third is the sales area. So this is how you need to do the selection. Don't think that here you are not having the customer pricing procedure. You'll have to think beyond that, guys. Okay. Next question. Select the correct options for the usage of access sequence. First option here is, it represents the property of the pricing conditions. It contains the condition table in a most specific to most general manner. Third is, it contains the steps showing how the condition types are linked. It defines the key fields for the condition record creation. Guys, access sequence works like a search strategy to search a valid condition record. To search a valid condition record. So first you need to remember the definition of the access sequence. Even in case of the interview, if someone is asking you what is the definition of the access sequence or what is access sequence, your answer should be, it works like a search strategy. Next question he will ask you, what do you mean by search strategy? Your answer should be, it search a valid condition record from a most specific to most general manner. Okay, this would be your answer, guys. I'll go beyond that maybe later. So we are having the correct option here. It contains the condition table in most specific to most general manner. Next question is, question number 113. You want to increase the price of your product at the billing level because sales order has have already created. How you will achieve this, guys? So in this question is very particular, and it is based on the real-time understanding, guys. Only by reading the notes you cannot attempt this question. Question is saying sales order has already created, guys. Okay. If sales order has created, that means pricing has already determined. Then how you will determine the new pricing? So we are having one option to determine the new pricing procedure at billing level or to carry out the new pricing. So what we will do, we will enable the carry out new pricing at the copy control level, guys. We do have that option in the copy control to enable the pricing at copy control level. So this is how we can achieve this, guys. And here we are having that option available here. Set the pricing type as carry out new pricing in the copy control for the billing documents. This is how you can achieve this requirement, guys. Okay. Next question. Select the mandatory steps in outbound delivery. Almost in every case, goods posting is mandatory, guys. Packing is not mandatory, guys. Most of the time, picking is exempted. It's not relevant for the picking. But goods issue almost all the times. Goods issue is mandatory, guys. When we are creating a delivery document, we have to do the goods issue. Why goods issue is why goods posting is needed? When we issue the goods, inventory accounting gets created, guys. Remember, inventory accounting gets created. When we when the inventory accounting gets created, we are having two different accounting entries at that point in time. One is cost of goods sold account debited to inventory account credited. These are the accounting entry. Remember, in many big organizations, this is an interview question. When you do the post goods issue, which accounting entries are created? Your answer should be inventory accounting created, cost of goods sold account debited to inventory account credited. Remember, guys. Okay. Next question is, which organizational unit is used in the interim storage in EWM? The answer for this is storage location. Remember this answer, guys. Interim storage, we are having the storage location to store the different types of the material, different stock of the material. Okay. Next question is, select the element which contributes to the available quantity during an ATP. Sales document, stocks, purchase order, reservation. I'll give you the justification so that it will help you in the certification as well as in the interview. Okay. Why sales document? Because whenever we are creating the sales order, stock is getting allocated to the sales order. That's why the sales order are considered for the stock that has already allocated. Stocks. Which kind of different stocks are available? Purchase order means it is considered as a future receipt, guys. The way sales orders are considered as a future issues, purchase orders are considered as a future receipt, because if the stock has allocated maybe today or tomorrow, user will be creating the delivery document and doing the goods issue. That is why it is called as a future issues. Purchase order, against the purchase order, user will be doing the GR. GR means good receipt. That is why it is called as a future receipt. Reservation means stock has been reserved for a particular requirement, guys. So in the reservation, stock is allocated and reserved, guys, for a requirement. It can be dependent requirement or it can be individual requirement. Next question, where can you set the delivery relevance? Guys, this is important question, and you may see the same question in the certification. Remember the answer, the item category. When you go to the VO V7, in the detailed view of the item category, you can see that there is an option of the delivery relevance. You can set or check, enable that option at the delivery at the item category level, guys. Okay. Which packing option can be configured for a delivery item category? Guys, at the delivery item category, guys, at the delivery item category level, we are having the options available: packing allowed and packing mandatory. These are the two important options available at the delivery item category level. Remember, guys. Okay. Next question is, select the standard sales and distribution text source, and here Examiner has specified you need to select two correct options. In some cases, examiner is specifying. In some cases, examiner if examiner is not specifying, that question is bit more tricky, guys. Remember, because you are not sure whether two answers are correct or three answers are correct. At that point in time, your core competency will be helping you to rescue. Okay. So, customer master sold to party. Remember, master data is one source from to transfer the data from source to target. And preceding document. Preceding document mean, for example, we have created a delivery, outbound delivery. For the outbound delivery, sales order is a preceding document. For billing, delivery is a preceding document. And for delivery, billing is a subsequent document, guys. Billing is a subsequent document. And for sales order, delivery is a subsequent document. For delivery, sales order is a preceding document. Okay. So remember the correct answer as customer master sold to party and preceding document. Last question for this set is select the option for the invoice split criteria. This is an interview question, guys. Remember, it's a certification question as well as the interview question. Billing date. How billing date can be a criteria for the invoice split? Maybe in a sales order, we are having 10 different line items. 5 line items are having the billing date as 25th of October. Remaining 5 line items are having the billing date as 30th of October. So once first 5 order for first 5 line items goes for the fulfillment, delivery gets created and first invoice will get created. So because of the billing date, invoice got splitted. Second correct answer is ship to party. Out of 10 line items, 5 line items is supposed to ship to a different person, different ship to party. Remaining 5 line items is supposed to be sent to a different ship to party. That is a invoice split criteria, guys. Okay. Delivery itself will get splitted because of this. Okay. If delivery is splitted, invoice have to be splitted, guys. Payment terms. Different payment terms. Maybe some line items are having different payment terms. Remaining line item having the payment terms for 30 days. Some line item are having the payment term for 45 days. Some line item are having the payment term immediate due net. Based on these payment terms, invoice will get splitted, guys. Okay. In the next video, guys, we will cover the remaining set of questionnaires. And important here is these question answer not only will help you to clear the certification, they will help you, they'll make you prepare from the interview perspective as well. They'll give you a good conceptual understanding, guys. Alright, thank you for today, guys. If you have liked my video, then click on the like button and subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Happy learning, guys.